I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install GitHub Desktop on Windows operating system. So let's here open the Google search box right there, GitHub Desktop. Then go on this or desktop GitHub dot download site. Then you can get this or download GitHub Desktop. This is available for Windows. Click this. Now here exe file currently downloading. So this you can use there. You can also get MSI file here. This is available for Mac OS also. This GitHub Desktop exe file that's downloaded. Simply going to click this, and now this here. Click on this more info. Click on run. So this here. So GitHub Desktop is being installed. It will launch when it's done. Now you can, this is the next step. Here you can see GitHub Desktop that installed. Here you can do the sign in with GitHub account enterprise, or you can do this later. Here you need to configure the Git, or configure the Git. Here you need to give the name. If I click on this finish, or this you can also, here you can create a new repository on your local drive. Add existing repository from your local drive, or you can create the clone. So let's click on this add here, or choosing, so this on the desktop project X, that's going to select there. Click on this select add. So the directory does not appear in the Git repository. You'd like to, okay, so we need to create there because this is not here. Let's click on this Git, giving the name test1, and here you can select, let's select here different languages are there. So going to select Python. So Python. Thereafter here you can give the license. So wait for a few seconds. Here you can give. So I will give later description. This is for testing. Now after that, click on this create. Thereafter you can get this one, no local changes. Here you can publish your repository to GitHub by clicking this open in Jet. So in Explorer, here you can go on this create new repository, add clone. This is the option for push branch. You can create the branch. Let's click here, giving the branch name A2. Click on this create. So here this branch that's added. Thereafter you can publish on this desktop. So this lecture was how to do the installation of GitHub Desktop on your Windows. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.